Hi there and welcome. It's time for Physical Sciences. My name is Tinyiko Kosa. You call me TK if you want to. And be talking here redox reactions. And I've singled out some important sections within that topic that you need. Let's have a look. Okay. Now, I know that you need to know about the galvanic cell. And the basic thing that you need to know about this one is that it converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay? And this galvanic cell is made up of electrolytes. These are solutions that can conduct electrical current. Why? Because they consist of ions that are free to move. Okay? So free ions, they are free to move in that solution. We also have electrodes in a galvanic cell, and one of the electrodes has to be what we call the cathode. This is the electrode where reduction occurs. Reduction, gaining of electrons, right? And then we also have another electrode called the anode. And the anode, that's where oxidation happens. And what is oxidation? Losing of electrons or loss of electrons. Okay? In the galvanic cell, we also have something called the salt bridge. This is made up of a saturated salt solution. Salt solution because it has to be ionic. Okay, it has to contain ions because ions are free to move and they can conduct electricity. Okay, the salt bridge, again, we also know that one of the functions of the salt bridge is to complete the circuit. Okay, so saving as some switch there. Next, the salt bridge also maintains electrical neutrality between the two electrolytes. So if you like what I've just spoken to you about now, these are functions of the salt bridge. Okay, this is what the salt bridge does. Okay, now here is the diagram representing an electrochemical cell, a galvanic cell. This one is representing a galvanic cell, the one that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay, now here you've got, it's a zinc copper one. This side you've got zinc. Okay, it's a zinc electrode. What happens at the zinc electrode is oxidation. So we see zinc atoms losing electrons to become zinc 2 plus 2 electrons. So this side, what we see happening is oxidation because it's loss of electrons. Where the electrode where oxidation happens is called the anode. Okay, those electrons move in the outer circuit in that direction towards the copper. All right, on the other side, on the copper, we see reduction happening. The Cu2 plus in solution receives the 2 electrons to become copper solid. Now, this is gaining of electrons, so it is reduction. Okay, gaining of electrons, reduction. That's what is happening there. Those copper ions that are changed on receiving electrons to copper will cling around that copper electrode there, making it gain mass in that way. And this electrode here is called the cathode. Why the cathode? Because cathode is where reduction happens. There is your salt bridge for ion exchange. Keep well. Hope you found that enjoyable.